What's up, guys? I've collected my Birdy, but didn't go as planned. I didn't get the racing version because I decided that I would be doing some serious modifications to it. Today's video is going to be a very quick one. So let's just do a straight up Brompton versus Birdy comparison when it folds up. And there are actually quite big differences. So there's no like, oh, I love Birdy, I hate Brompton. Oh, I love Brompton, I hate Birdy. You know what? I actually see the two of them complementing each other. Brompton on the left and Birdy on the right. You can see that the footprint of the Birdy is actually a little bit longer, and yeah, the frame itself, especially this area over here, is actually a little bit longer, and the way it folds onto itself, you can see that the Brompton folds extremely neat. You know, it's got a much neater fold. It really is the king of foldable bikes. At least that's what I feel about the Brompton.
Also take note that the Brompton now weighs in at 11.8 kilos versus the Birdy at 11.6 kilos.
So even the folding process of the Brompton, it's a lot more natural than the Birdy. The Birdy is a little bit more difficult to fold. At least that's my experience, you know, trying to unfold and then fold it back again. Okay, so this is the Birdy City that I have, which will be modified with accessories and stuff like that. That would be the surprise later on. Really don't like the stop pedals. The stop pedals, like, you know, those cheap looking ones. But anyways, like I said, this is gonna be a very short video. If there's anything that you would like to find out between the stock Brompton and the stock Birdy, questions you may have, please let me know. I'm actually quite excited to send the Birdy off, actually, because you know, with someone like myself, you know, I really enjoy modifying stuff. And who rides stock bikes anyway? Not me. I always enjoy watching videos like Outdoor Chef Life, you know, Taku, I think it's Taku, and then you've got deer meat for dinner. Man, those videos are so great. You know, they just jet off in some boat, you know, and then live fish, live produce, you hunt food. And man, I think in Singapore it's actually impossible. And I actually think that if you hunt a wild boar in Singapore and you decide to cook it and have it for dinner, I think the video would go quite viral. But anyway, it's not something I plan to explore. Until the next video, you guys take care, and I will see you soon. Bye bye. Drop a like, hit subscribe if you want to follow me on my YouTube adventure.